Nice.
That's the house of
Same architect?
sister of Rosemary.
Oh, really? Beautiful.
Yo, Matt.
Hello po, video pala.
Hindi, ano, for posterity.
Color white.
Ganda, ah.
She likes my car, so
You can drive it here. Mike, pwede ba tayo dito?
but she's not that confident.
Shortcut.
Because it's different
Or doon ka sa
Manila
north?
compared to the US.
In the US, they're all, well, they're not all in. Kasi otherwise, ang lapit na, di ba?
So we are on our way to Kuya Jun's new house and Matt's house and Rosemary's house.
Wala pa pala, ano?
This is good exercise for you, ma. You need this.
The whole day
You need
we're
10,000 steps each.
lying
Or
down.
maybe 5,000.
Dito tayo. Therefore, the
Okay, 3,000. Okay, 1,000.
Ang dami kotse. Saan ba tayo sasakay dyan? Wala po maglalagay.
Walang tayo ng aso. Bawal, no? Walang tayo ng aso sa inyo.
Opo, may
Ordinance.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Pero paminsan-minsan may po.
Ano yun, Bill?
Hindi sumusunod.
Sa
Oh my God, sa ganyan. Ano tawag dyan? Sa ganyang shape ng crescent.
Present mo.
Yes, crescent. Good dog. Good dog. Ano yun yung coach na yun? Ay, ang coach yung hanapin natin. Nasaan? Ang hirap lumakad. Nakakapagod. Bagalan pa natin dito.
Dapat pala. Dati kasi, from our house to the palengke, no?
Dati naman kaya ko maglakad.